Friends, in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Broadcom stock. This stock has given a beautiful breakout from an important resistance, and there are multiple positive factors trigger on the stock simultaneously. As a result, it gives us an opportunity to go long with the stock. We can initiate and buy position before the starting of a big upside rally. This stock is currently trading near to an important support level, and it has also broken out from an resistance level which was previously an resistance which has now turned into an important support, along with multiple positive factors that have been already materialized, due to which we could see a massive upside rally, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock before a rally get trigger. My dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, you will be able to see that this was a top where the stock had given a corrections in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the stock was under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got corrected by the price wise, and there was a back to back lower lows. First lower lows trigger over here, the second lower lows over here, and as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is what we got a confirmation. Whenever we notice that lower lows shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And now here we got a two major positive signal. The first positive signal was downward sloping parallel channel trigger on the upper side. The second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. And now, my dear friends, the third positive signal over here, you can notice there are positive diversion. If you'll see the price action, lower lows swing, the lower low swing is tilted on the downside, and the same MACD oscillations is tilting on the upper side, and this is an area where we got a breakout. And my dear friends, so far we have noticed a three major positive breakouts, and now we will going to see the chart pattern breakouts. If you'll make a closer look over here, my dear friends, you will be able to notice there is a rounding bottom pattern got trigger over here. This is a beautiful pattern which got trigger over here, and now there will be an upside of around 8 to 10% from the current price. Now the stock, now this breakout rounding bottom, this is a rounding bottom breakout, and now there is a high probability that we may very soon see the price reaching to the level of $410. $410 will be the first target will be in green color, and the second target will be $425. So this will be a two major upside, the targets. And if you want to put a stop loss, your stop loss should be, this is a lower swing, your stop loss should be somewhere around to this area, and you can trail the stop loss as soon as the stock move starting on the upper side. You have to trail your stop loss with shifting to an lower highs. All right, and my dear friends, this area will act as an important support because multiple positive factors trigger over here. So far we have noticed there is a there are four major positive signal we have noticed. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel shifted on the higher side, lower lows shifted on the higher highs, and there is a positive diversion and positive chart patterns. If this is it for the today's analysis. If you like my forecast, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.